Welcome to my kitchen, also known as the food lair. I'm Mike. I really don't know how to do this. Ready? And throw it on. There we go. Hope I did that right. Anyways, today we're doing chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Normally, I would just use Alfredo sauce and fettuccine noodles. I'll be using fettuccine noodles, but I won't be using Alfredo sauce. I'll still be using chicken, but instead of Alfredo sauce, I'll be using half and half. Let's go ahead and get this fettuccine noodles boiling. Come on. Boil fettuccine, just like it says here. It says, bring 4 quarts of water to a boil for each pound of pasta. Since we're not going to do the whole 1 pound of pasta, we're just going to eyeball it. Because I'm that good. Are you with me? Alright. You start off by getting the pan boiling with water, and then you throw in your fettuccine. Now we let this boil for about 11 or 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. There we go. While that's there, let's talk about hitting that like button and the subscribe button and the comment section. Let's do that now while that's boiling. Go ahead. It's right down there somewhere. In my chicken fettuccine Alfredo, I love me some mushrooms. So we're going to be putting those in there in a little while. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get our chicken prepared. Alright, I have selected Members Mark chicken tenders. You can get them at Sam's Club, possibly at Walmart. Now what you're going to want to do is cut these into little bite-sized strips. Looks much better in the chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Alright, let's go ahead and cut these. What we're going to do is we'll cut them into bite size. Alright, got those done. All chopped up and nice and diced up. Now, noodles should be done here in a few seconds. I'll wait for those to get done. We'll go stir those right now. Now what I'm going to do is with the same pan, and I rinsed it out, let you know, I rinsed it out. I add butter, move it over to a different burner so it's not on the same hot burner. Put some butter in there to get it all nice and greased up. And this is where I'm going to cook the chicken and the mushrooms and the spices and everything. One pan. This is a one pan meal. Alright, once the butter's nice and bubbling in there, you add the chicken. So what you do is you add some pepper, add some salt, and you stir this up. Once this is done, you set it aside. Now you add your spices. I like garlic and onion, minced garlic and minced onion. And before you do that, make sure you add your butter, make sure it's nice and greased up. You add your minced onion and your minced garlic. You can use garlic powder, onion powder, get an actual onion, do whatever you want, but I like it quick and easy. Easy action. Alright, you ready? Now one of these little jars is about 2 ounces, so you're going to want to do about half a jar. Yeah, about half a jar if you're going to do a minced onion. Otherwise, do a whole onion, an actual onion, whatever you want. My secret. Now for the minced garlic, I get myself here's a half teaspoon. What you do is you get one of these. Get yourself about 2 scoops. This stuff is strong. And you just stir that in there, turn this up, get everything nice and brown. Now here's what I'm talking about. The butter is going to evaporate really quickly, and the minced garlic is going to blend in nicely. You just keep going until the minced onion is nice and browning. Keep stirring, you don't want it to burn the bottom. Now I'm going to add a can of mushroom. Just drop it right in there, just like that. Just kidding. Now we're going to open this up, pour this can of mushroom right in there. Now I've got the mushrooms in there. Mix those all in. All right, here's where it gets interesting. Instead of using Alfredo sauce, I'm going to use half and half. I'm using 1 quart. You stir that in. And you let that sauce get nice and thick. Now the way you get that to thicken is you let that boil. You got to get it boiling hot. And then let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is what it looks like when half and half is boiling with mushrooms in it. Then when that's starting to thicken up and you've boiled it for about 10 minutes, then you slowly and carefully add the chicken. Don't let it spill onto the floor. You stir that in. It's starting to look like something. Then you can add some parsley. I'll take the lid off here. You add about a half a cup, depending on your parsley needs. And then you stir that in there. There, that gave it some flavor and some color. And it's starting to look like something. And it's thickening up again. Very nice. And I like to add some more salt. Not too much, a little bit more pepper, not too much. And stir that in. It's really starting to thicken up now. We're almost ready for the noodles. Now remember, we boiled them, drained them, and set them aside. You want to make sure it's still nice and fluffy. If it's dried up, rinse it off a little bit. And you add the noodles, and there you go. And of course you want to stir that in. Get it all stirred in together. Now the noodles, just soak in all that good juice, that coating all them noodles. All them noodles. Like my language? All them that there noodles. And splash it everywhere. There we go. And then we let that sit. Now I'm gonna let that sit covered up, let the steam get all in there, let the noodles get all nice and soaked in there with all the juices. While we're doing that, we're gonna stop, we're gonna pause, and we're gonna hit that like button. Right down there. Right down there. Don't go anywhere just yet. You're gonna wanna see me serve this because it's gonna look amazing. Stay to the end of the video to see me plate this and eat it. Now it's time to plate the food, or I should say bowl the food. There we go. We're gonna do 2 scoops on this one. There we go. And a little bit of parsley on top. Beautiful. Now this is how you eat fettuccine. The spin. There we go. Thank you so much for sticking around for the last half of the show. Please, please, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment. So thank you for staying to the end of the video.